Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set up spending alerts in Trim. Do you want to stay on top of your spendings? Well, setting up spending alerts in Trim is going to help you to keep track of your budget and avoid overspending. Let me show you how it's done. First, start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account. And then from the home screen, you're going to tap on the spendings or alerts section. Next, look for the option that says set spending alerts or create new alerts. Tap on it to start customizing your alerts. Trim will ask you to set a spending threshold for your alerts. For example, you can set an alert every time your spending goes above a certain amount, like $100 on groceries or $50 on entertainment. Once it goes beyond that set limit, you're going to receive an alert. You can also select which category you want to track, such as eating out, shopping, or utilities. And this way, you'll get alerted when you're getting close to your budget limit for any particular category. Trim will send you a notification when you reach or exceed your set threshold, which helps you to stay within your limits. You can choose to receive these alerts as push notifications or even emails, whatever works best for you. You can also edit or turn off your alerts by going back into the alert section so you can keep adjusting them as your financial goals change. And that's it. You're all set to get notified about your spendings so you can stay on track with your budget. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a savings goals in Trim. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep improving your financial habits. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.